Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
كيف حالكم؟
Alhamdulillah.
Today we are Zymal Kabir Shaadi.
Kabir. No, basically we're trying to say is that we have a massive Shaadi today. Kabir means Kabir.
Big Kabir Shaadi.
So yeah, how's everybody?
Early morning.
Early morning.
Today.
So right now it's 7 o'clock. So we came about 6 o'clock. So we have an order today which we have a serving at 12 o'clock inshallah. And it's gonna be, I can't tell you exact people, but yeah, it's over 1,000 people. And it could be in between somewhere 1,500 to 2,000 or over 2,000 people we're gonna serve today inshallah.
So it's a big one today. What are you making?
We have a normal menu. We have at least about over 40 pots.
Okay.
And which is gonna be rice, meat curry, spinach and chicken, shahi halwa, roast kebab, like a normal wedding menu. And preparation has been done. So all we're gonna do is we are just gonna put dums and gonna make everything ready.
So you've been preparing the last 2 days, yeah?
Last 2 days.
Last 2 days they've been preparing. I've been busy. I couldn't come in for the preparing part. Had a lot of things going on. But as you guys can see, we've got all these pots. All these are gonna get cooked. Then you're gonna add more pots on. So you've got a lot of cooking to do today, boys. Almost 1,500. Chacha was saying about 1,500 people, which is a lot of people to serve. And we're serving at where are you serving? Crystal. We're serving at Crystal Plaza, baby. So today Atif is going to be busy. Big shout out to first of all to Inaya Akhtar.
To Inaya Akhtar. Big shout out to the Inaya Akhtar and the family.
And family, yeah, because they watch us and they're big fans of me and you. Also, we need to give a shout out to Jalil and Siam and family.
Jalil and Siam and a family from
Milton Keynes. I met them 2 days ago.
Okay.
The whole family and everyone on Stratford Rd.
Yeah.
And they was really, good family. They met me.
Good
talking
review.
About you.
Good feedback.
They said they met you. They came down to the shop specially.
Okay.
Yeah. So they were quite
that's
excited.
Good. Thank you
well.
so much. Thank you.
So that's a big, massive shout out to
Thank
again
you.
Jalil, Siam, and your family.
Jalil and Siam. Thank you.
We got a big wedding today. We're busy today. We don't want to be holding back Atif today because he's the head chef today, and we're not gonna be stopping him. We're gonna let him move around, and we're gonna be
inshallah.
We're gonna be shooting away, boys.
So inshallah,
big shots at one.
So what it is, yeah, today we're gonna be making this. We're gonna be replacing the parts, so we have to be a bit quick. So what I'm doing is, yeah, I'm getting this ready before Haji Sahab comes. Before Haji comes, yeah, I wanna make at least one row ready, and then we're gonna put the new one.
How many pots of chicken you got?
Bro, we have like 6 of meat, 6 of chicken, 18 meat palau,
wow.
5 of these. Are you gonna watch? You're gonna see today.
It's a big one today, boys. It's a hectic one.
Today is gonna be a proper match, like a test match. You're gonna see inshallah.
Yeah, so make sure to watch right till the end, because trust me, it's gonna be hectic. Right now,
you're not gonna get this inshallah.
You've just opened up now, so they're just getting everything warmed up. Early morning when you start the car and you let it warm up.
No, it's a warm up.
It's a warm up. Watch when Chacha comes. Fir pata lagega. Because the time's gonna get closer, innit?
Remember, I have to go a bit early, yeah?
The
to
food.
save the chaos later. Oh,
look at the timing. As soon as you said Chacha's coming.
Hey, mashallah.
Wow, as soon as you said Chacha, yeah? Chacha, you come in. Assalamu alaikum. Chacha, how are ya? Look at the timing of that. As soon as Chacha comes. Big one today. Busy day today, and Chacha.
Welcome everyone. Alhamdulillah.
Early morning one, not sweaty. You've been prepping last 2 days, innit?
Yeah, no, yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah?
Yesterday, yeah.
I was a bit busy. I was going to come down, but I had a few things to do.
Very nice to see you in the morning.
Yeah, early morning. And then I like waking up early.
No, I'm used to. I've been come every time, but alhamdulillah.
I think it's nice. You wake up early, you see the whole day, but not Sara didn't wake that. Half the day is gone. But alhamdulillah, good man. So Chacha is here. We're busy today, so we're not going to disturb Chacha too much. We're not going to be disturbing. We're going to let them do what they got to do. And I'm just going to be going in, shooting in, and doing what I need to do.
How's everybody? Everybody's okay. I hope everybody's having a good time. And alhamdulillah, people are liking the vlog. We're getting good feedback as well. So we appreciate all the subscribers of BDN vlog and your support, and the haters. we love you as well. You are the big motivation to BDN.
Last video we got 10k on the Zymals.
MashaAllah. In
That's a good one.
3 days, 3-4 days.
Yeah, that's good views.
MashaAllah, that's very good.
Well,
Chicken spinach. So we have to make the chicken first, and then we have to add it up with the spinach, and then we're gonna put it up together. So this six pots here. I'm gonna get this ready, get it out of the way, get this out of the way, and then we're gonna do pink tea, Kashmiri tea, and then the desi tea there. And then the samosas there are 3,000 samosas. And on the other side, if you will look, have a look here in 1 second. They are like over 15 pots. These are all gonna be meat pulao, and you're gonna see all this line. This is gonna be meat pulao in one go, inshallah.
it's gonna be crazy today.
It's gonna be in one go, inshallah, in one go. Okay, so now look at this. When the chicken gets ready you have to be very gentle when you serve the big spoon inside. So I'm trying to be very gentle with it. And then when it's gonna be mixed, you're gonna see the changing. Can you see the color has been changing now? It's black and a little bit of orange. So the spinach now, when it's gonna warmed up, then it's gonna get mixed up. Look, so this is how it's meant to be. Can you see it? There you go. This is how it's
That's the chicken and palak.
That's the chicken and spinach. That's sir.
Spinach, yeah.
Yes, sir. This is spinach and chicken.
That's beautiful.
You see it? I haven't even put anything in there yet. So when it's gonna masala is gonna go inside here, then it's gonna smell like you are in a
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pots.
ये पता क्या अभी टाइम नहीं है, अभी टाइम हाथ से निकल रहा है.
oh yeah. So it's what's the time? What's the time?
8:45.
8:45 yeah. So this should be ready in next 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start doing rice, inshallah. And because we are getting out of time, we have to be quick. So now, he's gonna be rapid, inshallah. Now, I can't show you through the camera, how fast we are doing already, but it has to go rapid, inshallah. Look at this now. It's almost done. It's gonna take another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna start loading it. So now, whoever is gonna get ready is gonna get load here. Is gonna go to the venue. So we're gonna start dropping it off as well, inshallah. And then we have another order as well. For that, we took the chicken already. We made the chicken for that as well, chicken curry. But that's gonna go, I think, 12 o'clock. That's separate order. That's getting ready as well. Everything is under control. Okay, so I've already started doing the rice. Haji Sahib is doing the gajar halwa already. Our gajar halwa is in preparing as well. So now, in next 5 minutes, I'm gonna put this on them.
It's settled now.
It's settled. Can you see? Guys, sorry, I'm not saying anything here.
Yeah, you just kind of do what you gotta do. We're moving, baby. Shout out to all the catties.
Oi!
Yeah?
Astaghfirullah. Now shout out to everybody.
Big shout out to all the catties, yeah?
Hey, big shout out to everybody.
ये देखो माशाल्लाह डबल ट्रिपल that's the one that comes in picture man
तो प्याज है
That's the first one, yeah? It's the first pulau.
Yes. This is the first one. Now can you pass me the lid please? It's behind you.
50 थोड़ा जल्दी करना पड़ेगा मेरे पास मसाला नहीं है ना मसाला नहीं है ना उधर मसाला नहीं है
मसाला पड़ा हुआ है
Guys, the kitchen is getting busy now. As you guys can see, all the pots are on high heat. Really getting busy. Really.
ठीक है यानी कि ये चिट्टी नहीं होनी चाहिए चिट्टी बुलबुली नहीं होनी चाहिए
आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा ये आंधी उधर पुल करनी पड़ेगी एक आंधी उठाओ ना उधर से ये आंधी उधर पुल करनी पड़ेगी कि तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इधर खाली आग जा रही है
पहले ये पकड़ मेरा भाई इसको साइड पे रखो ये बाल निकल ठीक है ये कोई भी चीज़ यहाँ पे पड़ी ना हो मेरा भाई ये सारी चीज़ें आपको डायरेक्ट ये ब्रांड में जाए यहाँ पे ये सबसे Alhamdulillah, it's going good. Uncle is here. No, Uncle is not feeling well. It's okay. Uncle is here finally, but now everything is gonna go nice and smooth because Uncle is my lucky charm. Look here, look at me, Uncle. This Uncle is my lucky charm.
Uncle is angry.
No, Uncle never angry.
Uncle, give us a smile.
No yet.
Not yet.
No. I don't. I want this I want this to be loaded and then कुछ और करना है मुझे यार ये जितना जल्दी हो जाएगा मेरा भाई पहले ये करो प्लीज.
So they're loading the first batch, yeah?
That's the first one.
That's getting loaded.
That's getting loaded. चला फटाफट दूसरा भी आ जा. ये भी वो लास्ट वाले को लगा दे भी इसको भी लगा फटाफट. अंकल इसको प्लीज इस तरीके से रखना अच्छे करो.
Look at this, one man, अकेला. Now you doing the pilau, yeah?
Yeah, now this is the plow right.
15 pots.
15 pots.
नलका जल गया. आयो शेरा.
एक कपड़ा उठा लो भाई, कपड़ा उठा.
अच्छा ये 5 वाला लगाऊं इसमें. अच्छा 5 वाला इसमें लगा.
हाँ वो दे रहे. नहीं कहता हूँ कि आप नहीं होंगे तो आपको मैंने कहा ये लाओ, ये भी लाओ. आप निकल के वो देखो उसको क्या करो ये.
So this is for the order that we're going to give in between these orders. रख दूसरे ऑर्डर का रख. अंकल प्लीज उसको देखना ये वाले को. और ज़ेबी सिर्फ मुझे ना चावल देने हैं तूने 5 किलो वाले बस.
Guys, it's getting busy. So we've got 6 egg of chicken palak which is gone. Now we've got to make 15 pots of what you call it, palau. We've got to make 3,000 samosa. How many? 3,000 samosa today?
3,000.
3,000 samosa. Oi. Garma garam. It's getting busy. Tako asada Raja ji da pasina shuru ho gaya.
ना इसे गुड पसीना.
शुरू हो यार.
गुड पसीना. लेते शुरू हो यार.
शुरू हो से पार्टी शुरू हुई है दोस्ता.
प्लीज ले आओ और इसमें एक डाल दो. कोई नहीं बल्कि उसको ज़ेबी इसको बताइए कैसे डालना. वो इसको ये रहने दो मैं डाल दूँगा.
Guys, that's part 1 coming to an end. It is a busy day in the kitchen. We have so much more cooking to do. We got more than 15 pots of pilau rice to cook. We've got so much more dishes to prep, and also we need to take all the food down to Crystal Plaza where we're gonna be serving more than 1,500 hungry guests. So make sure to subscribe, like and share, and see you guys in part 2.